as I explained, it's always been a pet peeve of mine that we still use typewriters at times here in City Hall. Whenever I come out of my office and hear one of the ladies banging away at the typewriter, it drives me crazy. So in our effort to streamline, in our office anyways, we've now created a template on our computers that we can type up a birth record on the computers in our efforts to get away from typewriters. Next is my next project is to get away from using typewriters to help craft the agenda for all the city council meetings. So that'll be hopefully on the next city council's televised meeting, and we'll vote for the appropriation, and we'll continue moving forward with technology here at City Hall.